Today I want to show you what is quickly becoming my favorite keyboard of all the keyboards that I have. This is the KiiBoom Phantom 98. It is a 96% layout, so almost 100%. You do have a full numpad over here with the full size 0, which is really, really nice to have here if you're doing, you know, Excel work or typing in numbers. It's really, really nice to have this full keypad and the full 0 rather than the tiny 0 over here. It is a tri-mode keyboard, so you do have the option to use wired as I have it now, or you can use Bluetooth or the USB connection. The USB is actually kept under this little magnetic strip here, so your USB just stays there if you're not using it, and then this strip just magnets back down over that, and I just use a magnet to pull it off. It is a gasket mount, and it does come with a keycap puller, so you can easily pull the keys off, and you can swap out your keys if you want, or swap out the switches underneath. It's very, very easy to do that, and it comes with this as well to make that super easy. There are the little flip feet on this side. There's two different levels, so you can have like a medium height or a full height. I usually keep it on the full height, but it does include both, which is really, really nice if you want to set it up ergonomically to fit best for you. There are also several RGB configurations. You can change so many different things with the lights. You can have single color, you could have all white lights, so many different configurations. I haven't even gone through all of them, and I spent a ton of time doing this. So many configurations of the lights, which is really, really nice. You can completely customize it to you and your aesthetic. Is very solid. Like, it's not going to move around easily. It's pretty heavy. My favorite part about this keyboard is the sound. It is definitely the creamiest keyboard that I have, and it sounds so good. This is quickly becoming my favorite keyboard in all of my collection, and I highly recommend that you check this one out.